good morning again. Teacher Rose here, your math teacher. Last video we learned about how to identify decimal numbers from 1 to 10, okay? Now let's have a short review first before learning another lesson. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle here. And then I'm going to divide this into 10. If you remember class, 10 is, or decimal means 10, okay? So, example this, let's imagine this is a cake, okay? A layer of cake. So, let's divide this into 10 so that we are going to know how to identify the decimal numbers, okay? So, we're going to divide this into 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, we need to, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Imagine this is your cake. Yummy. So, let's count. Everybody count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 slices of cake. Now, if we're going to shade this one here, shade this one or color this one, what is the decimal number? We are shading 1 out of 10. So, this is going to be 0.1. Okay, we'll learn about this. 0.1. This is what we have learned last video. So, this is 0.1. And then, next is 0.2. If these two are shaded, this portion here becomes 0.2 and then so on. Okay? That's how we're going to identify decimal numbers. This one 0.3 shaded, and if all are shaded, all 10 slices are shaded, this will become this one here. This one is 0.3. This one here is 0.4. 0.5. 0.6. 0.7. 0.8. 0.9, and the last slice is what? This is 0.9. The last slice is 1.0. Very good. So this is 1.0. Out of 10 slices, if all of them are shaded, the decimal number is 1.0. Remember class that decimal has point, okay? If we will just say 1, that is not decimal number. If we will just write 1, no point, not decimal, okay? But if we are going to write 1.0, it becomes decimal number, okay? Remember, decimal number has point, okay? And the number after the decimal point, after the point is lesser than 1, okay? Meaning smaller than 1, okay? So now, let us going to learn about how to arrange arrange the decimal numbers from increasing and decreasing orders. Okay. When we talk about increasing class, increasing remember increasing is from small or net noise to big, okay? Smaller to bigger, net noise to mark. Very good. Now, let's try to arrange the decimal numbers that I'm going to give you in an increasing order. Again, increasing means from smaller to bigger. Okay, example. I'm going to give you 3 sets of decimal numbers and I'm going to ask you to arrange them in an increasing order. Okay, example. Okay, everybody. 0.5, 0.25, 0.75. Again, 0.5, 0.25, 0.75. Okay. Now, to arrange them in increasing order, we need to find the smallest first. Okay? So, out of these 3, which is the smallest number, decimal number? Is it 0.5? Is it 0.25? Or is it 0.75? So, which is the smallest? Is it? The smallest is? Okay, the smallest is 0.25. Very good. So we have to write 0.25 first. And then, what is next to 0.25? 0.5. Very good. 0.5. And the last one, the bigger one is 0.75. Okay, this is how are we going to arrange the decimal numbers from smallest to biggest or in an increasing order. Okay. Increasing order. So example 0.5, 0.25 and 0.75. When we are going to arrange them in an increasing order, it will become 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75. Okay. Why? Because out of these 3 decimal numbers, 0.5 is the smallest, okay? And then next is 0.5. And next is 0.75. Okay, that is increasing order. Do you want to have some more examples? Okay, we're going to have some more examples. How about this example? 0.8, 0.4, and 0.9. So, we will arrange this in increasing order. We are going to find the smallest value first, smallest decimal number. So which is the smallest here? Is it 0.8? Is it 0.4? Or is it 0.9? Okay, so the smallest is 0.4. Okay, 0.4. Next, 0.8. And the last one is 0.9. Okay, this is how we're going to arrange the decimal numbers according to increasing order. Increasing, remember. Let's have another example. This time, I'm going to challenge your brain this time. Okay, so example 0.625 and then 0.125 and then 0.375. Let's arrange them into increasing order. So what is the first decimal number that we are going to write? Is it 0.625? Is it 0.125? Or is it 0.375? Which is which? Find the smallest value. So, good. The smallest is 0.125. So that is the decimal number that we are gonna write first. Okay? 0.125. What's next? 0.375. 0.375. And the last one is 0.625. Good job. Okay, that's the way how we're going to arrange the decimal numbers into increasing order. Now, this time, class, we're going to learn about how we're going to arrange the decimal numbers into decreasing order. Decreasing. Decreasing. Everybody? Decreasing. Decreasing. Okay. Decreasing class is from mak to netnoy to small. Okay. Again, decreasing is from big to small or from tall to short. Okay. From to okay, decreasing. Now, let me give you same example and we're going to arrange them into decreasing order. Okay? 0.5, 0.25, and 0.75. How we are going to arrange this into decreasing order? Remember, decreasing is from big to small. Very good. So, Out of these numbers, which is the biggest? It is 0.75. Good job. So, we are going to write 0.75 first. Okay? 0.75. Next is 0.5. Okay, and the last one is 0.25. This is how we are going to arrange the decimal numbers in decreasing order from biggest down to lowest. I mean smallest. Okay? So again, 0.75, 0.5, and 0.25. Very good. Let me give you another example. Another example. Example 0.05, 0.15, or 0.15, and 0.3. Okay, let's arrange these into decreasing order. So let's find the biggest decimal number. Which is the biggest decimal number? Is it 0.05? Is it 0.15? Or is it 0.3? So which is the biggest decimal number? Very good. It's 0.3. Okay. 0.3. And what's next? Very good. 0.15. And the last one, 0.05. Okay, this is how we are going to arrange the decimal numbers into decreasing order. Okay. Remember, class, in identifying the biggest and smallest number in decimal numbers, we have to be very particular of the number after the decimal point. Okay? Eyes here on the board. Example here. The number after the decimal point is 0. Right? So of course, naturally, this is smallest. Because this is 0. And another one. What is the number after the decimal point? It's 1, right? So, naturally, 1 is bigger than 0. Okay? So, let's be very particular with the number after the decimal point so that we can correctly identify how to arrange them in increasing and decreasing order. Okay? Understand? And this one here, the number after the decimal point is 3. Can you notice? So out of these examples, the decimal number which has bigger in value is 0.3. Because as what I've said, we have to be very particular with the number after the decimal point. Okay, if I will give you example 10 digits of numbers so that you will not be confused and you can answer correctly, you should be watchful with the number after the decimal point. Okay, so 3 is the biggest out of these examples. That's why we write 0.3 first. Okay. So same as what we have did with increasing, we have to be very watchful with the number or the first number after the decimal point. Again, in identifying the value of decimal numbers, we have to be very watchful and careful with the first number after the decimal point so that we can get the right answer in arranging decimal numbers in increasing and decreasing orders. Okay, now let's have another example in decreasing orders. Example 0.125, 0.625, and 0.375. How are we going to arrange this into decreasing order? So first, let's look at the first number after the decimal point. Okay, so which is the, because decreasing classes, we will start from the biggest to lowest, okay, or smallest. So which is the biggest here? Of course, it's 0.625. Good job. So it's 0.625. What's next? It's 0.375. 0.375. And then the last one is 0.125. Okay, good job. So you now understand how we're going to arrange the numbers, the decimal numbers, into decreasing order. First, we learned about how to arrange decimal numbers into increasing orders. Thank you very much for watching and for listening. See you next time. Bye!